Hi, I just wanted to show you guys how to do this worksheet. This will be good practice for writing chemical formulas for ionic compounds. Let's do, some simple ones. So first we have, you don't have to show your work, but you need to think about this. The zinc is +2, iodine is minus. So I'm going to need 2 iodines for every 1 to make this neutral. You can also crisscross the superscript down as a subscript. So this would be ZnI2. Let's try this one here. So here I have iron +3, and then I have chromate, which is -2. So for this one, I'm going to do the crisscross technique. I'm going to bring down the 3, sorry, bring down the 2. So it would be Fe, I need 2 of those. Chromate, don't touch the 4, so we don't ever change the subscripts on the polyatomics, and then I'm going to put a 3 out here. Here's another one. So iron is +3, hydroxide is minus. So again, bring down the 3, bring down the 1. This one, it's really common for people to forget the parentheses, so don't forget the parentheses. Here we have an interesting one where it's iron +3, phosphate. Again, all this is my doodle work. I don't have to show this. Ultimately, I'll show you. These are my answers. There, there, and then we'll put our answer right here. So let me grab my pen again. So because these already add to 0, I don't need to crisscross. So it's just going to be FePO4. So, yeah, I'm going to let you guys kind of complete that part. Let me show you the back. Or not, just wait. So here, we're going to take the name and write the formula. So potassium, I would know, is +1 because it's in group 1. Chloride is -1 because it's in group 17. So again, that was my thinking. I don't have to show that, but I need to think it. And then my formula would be KCl. I'll just do a few more with you. Lead, Roman numeral 2, means it's got a +2. Lead can be +2 or 4. Permanganate is this ion. So again, bringing down the 2 and the 1, my formula would be PbMnO4 parenthesis 2. Here I have chromium +3, dichromate. Doesn't mean I have 2 of them, it's just the name of that ion. I bring down the 2 and the 3. So answer would be parenthesis with a 3. That's all I have. Hope that helps you guys get going on the worksheet.